A smoky cafe on a shadowed street, boot steps echo in a measured beat. Whispers float where the lamplight falls. No one here speaks of Virginia Hall. A quiet face, a careful glance, a coded note in a folded glance. She walks alone through the darkened square. Danger moves, but she is there. They watch the trains, they guard the night, they hunt the sparks that dare ignite. She moves like smoke through occupied France, a ghost in the gears of the war machine's dance. They plaster her face on the cold stone wall, the most dangerous spy of them all. But courage walks where fear would stall, in a borrowed coat and a steady call. Empires tremble, tyrants fall. They never caught Virginia Hall. A wireless hum in a shuttered room, soft Morse taps in the velvet gloom. Pilots hidden, safe by dawn, vanished roads they traveled on. Supply drops fall in the midnight rain, rail lines break in the dark again. Resistance flames begin to rise, hope flickers bright in hidden eyes. The net draws tight, the hunters close, a name on every list they post. She moves like smoke through occupied France, a ghost in the gears of the war machine's dance. They hunted her shadow from town to hall, the most dangerous spy of them all. But courage lives where the brave stand small, in silent steps and a secret call. When freedom whispered, she gave her all. They never caught Virginia Hall. In a quiet room where the daylight falls, history speaks her name in hushed recall. No metal shines as bright as the call of the spy the Gestapo couldn't catch.